Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Sethia, Chief Surgeon, Siddharth Hospital, Pune. Greetings for the Women's Day to all women. I am here to inform you about common cancers in females. Nowadays, cancer is a big issue, and especially in females, there are certain areas where it is quite common, like breast, cervical cancer, ovarian cancer, oral cavity cancers, all this. Now, female must know how to diagnose it at the earliest so that we can have better results in the form of treatment. Now, screening procedures are quite available everywhere. Breast cancers, they usually come up with lumps or discharge from the nipples. So you should be aware if there is any abnormal finding in the breast, you should consult your doctor and go for the investigations. Regular investigations are quite important in the family if there is a positive history. Like same thing in the cervical cancer and ovarian cancers. If there is a bleeding or spotting after menopause, it is not good sign. So you should meet your gynecologist and get it checked and have the treatment accordingly. Earlier the diagnosis, better are the results. Nowadays there are quite very good results with newer therapies. So you should not worry about the cancer hereafter. Next thing is about the thalassemia, which is very important genetic blood disease in which it usually happens in Asians, especially in India. It is quite common and mostly it happens in the teenage. So basically there are abnormal cells forming, RBCs, in our blood. The normal lifespan is nearly 120 days, but these abnormal cells, they have very short lifespan, and so the patient is usually anemic, and every time they have to go for blood transfusions repeatedly. So this is again very important because it hampers the child age and which is not good for them. So if earlier diagnosis and genetics testing and proper treatment is good for them, I think this is very good awareness going on in the rally form from the Jito Ladies Wing. I appeal to everybody to join this noble cause. Thank you very much.